I'm back, Janet, big sister at Jex Barista Training Institute in Dubai, Al Baraha, Al Maya Supermarket, first floor, office 111, where we train specialty baristas and roasters. Previously, I brought to you a new program that we've introduced, and that is a program to do with training people that only want to come in the night from 9 p.m. to midnight. I'm here to introduce you a new trainer who is going to be taking you on. So whoever is there, you want to do your training as a specialty barista or roaster, but in the night time, I repeat, 9 p.m. to midnight, you're very much welcome. Come register with us and start your training. Let me introduce you. Teacher Mark is right here with us.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm glad officially we've decided to take on this program. It will be the night shift. It will be running every day from 9 p.m. till midnight. Please, if you don't have time during the day, you can use this chance and then come study with us. Whatever you would have studied during the day, you'll be able to study it in the night. We shall be waiting for you. Come study with us. Thank you.
Teacher Mark, we're happy to have you at Jex.
I'm happy to be here. This is like home. I'm so much excited for this program. Guys, we shall be waiting for you.
Don't miss out. He's the best of the best.
Thank you.